Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who have sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, as we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by Chart Prime. Okay, see possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, the accuracy is certainly very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try out the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen, dollar dips, Powell testimony and jobs data in focus. The greenback slipped against a basket of currencies on Monday as investors awaited testimony by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and jobs data due later this week for further indications on how much higher the US Central Bank is likely to raise interest rates. Yes, all the eyes are on the testimony of Jerome Powell. So my dear friends, right now we can see the market is more or less silent. It's the silence before the storm. Is the 1 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us, and as you can see, Euro USD is standing at 1.06 88. This is the current market price of Euro USD. But before I proceed with Euro USD, I would like to discuss about DXY, US dollar currency index. After the market opening, DXY tried to recover but failed. Okay, and DXY is approaching the previous support of 104.10. Okay, previous support of 104.10, but the previous support is not a very strong support. If this support is not very strong support during the day when the volatility of the market will be very low, then you can expect the market to take support somewhere around this level. But from this particular level here, without much volatility, you cannot expect a proper bounce. And if this level fails, then we have the next support around 103.70 to 103.80. This is the next support on DXY for the day. And after the testimony of Jerome Powell, in case DXY shows a big drop, then we need to focus on the major levels. The next big support on the chart of DXY is around 102.60. This is the strongest support on the chart of DXY on the chart right now, and the strongest resistance is around 105.50. These are the two important levels on the chart of DXY right now. So right now we can see that there is not much clarity on the chart of Euro USD. If you switch to the chart of GBP USD, then also you'll see a similar picture. In fact, in my previous videos also, I have clearly mentioned that right now the charts of GBP USD, Euro USD are not very stable. Okay, they they are just creating nuisance in the market. So as a result, it's better only to trade only on the major levels of the market. In most of my videos, I clearly mentioned the minor support, minor resistance, major support, major resistance, minor structure, major structure. But on the chart of Euro USD right now and GBP USD as well, you should mostly focus on the major structure or major levels because of the choppiness, because of the uncertainty going on in both the charts. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the resistance. So after the testimony, okay, after the testimony, if Euro USD starts flying, then you can expect the market to face some resistance around 1.0725. This is the next resistance on the chart of Euro USD. So after the testimony, if you see DXY going down, Euro USD flying, then this is the resistance for the market. Before the testimony, there is no immediate resistance. You can expect some selling pressure. Okay, you can expect some selling pressure around 1.0700 because of previous price rejection around this area, as well as this is a round number. Okay, and because round numbers are psychological support and resistances in any market of the world, not only forex market, in any market of the world. So as a result, during the day before the testimony, this level may work as the temporary resistance. If market hits the level and reverses, you can look for a profit of 25-30 pips. But during the news or after testimony, if market starts going up, this level does not have the strength to act as resistance, and you may see market hitting the level of 1.0725. But one thing I would like to mention, my dear friend, during the news, yes, during the news, fundamentals dominate the market, and at that particular point of time, many levels fail. So as a result, as a beginner, as a new trader, it's your responsibility to avoid the market, because after all, it's your hard-earned money. So it's your responsibility to protect it. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Observe the market, gain experience, but do not take any position, especially if you're in a very tight spot, not in a position to afford any money. Because when fundamentals dominate the market, technicals fail, and that's a bitter reality of the market. Okay, and we retail traders, we do not have any control over the fundamental factors. As a result, we are stuck with technicals. That's a bitter reality, and as a trader, you'll have to accept it. Okay, so these are resistance. So if market reverses, then you can look for a sell position, but be very careful. Be very careful. And on the other hand, if you see market falling, okay, if you see market falling, then you can expect 1.0613 to 1.0600 to act as the support for the market. But this support, okay, this support is also not very strong. Okay, but we have derived this support from the Fibonacci retracement level. This is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. So in case there's a big drop during the news, then yes, this level may act as support. But are we sure? We are not fully sure, but Fibonacci 50 is more or less considered as a strong level. So as a result, we are hoping that this level has the potential to act as the next support in case market drops. Okay, and during the day or before the testimony, if market starts falling, then you can expect 1.0656 to act as the support. 1.0656 before the testimony. After testimony, Fibonacci 23.6 will not be able to hold the market, because Fibonacci 0.236 or 23.6 is the weakest among all these levels. Okay, so 50% has a different position respect. Okay, so it may work, but 23 will not work. So after news, market starts falling, you can look or observe around 1.0656. If market takes support, then that's a differentiator. You can go for a buy position. Again, I'm repeating, be careful. Already the charts of GBP USD, Euro USD are very choppy for the last couple of days. So only focus on major levels. And after testimony, if you see the market is extremely volatile, just avoid trading. No need to trade, or no need to trade. Just observe the market and see. That's it. Okay, as a trader, you don't need to trade every day. Keep in mind, okay, you should trade well, not often. Okay, so this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Do your own analysis, research, and follow proper risk management. Bye bye. Take care.